Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be testing out this new Oneida Air Systems Dust Deputy Cyclone dust collector. And so it's basically hooked to a shop vac, and we run the shop vac through the Dust Deputy, and it's a cyclone thing, so it'll separate out all the dust, and hopefully the filter on the shop vac stays nice and clean. So let me turn the camera around. I'll show you all the pieces and parts that we have, and we'll get started. All right, so we have a used filter, but I've cleaned it completely. We're going to put it on this rigid 6 horsepower vacuum. And we're going to suck up all the dust in that bucket into the shop vac and see what the filter looks like after we do that. It's about 4 gallons worth of dust. So let me hook up the dust collector tube. Okay, here we go. All right, that's it. The bucket's empty. Got 4 gallons worth of dust. Take a look at what this filter looks like. There it is. Can you see it, the filter? How much dust is in there? It's clogged, completely clogged. And that's just with 4 gallons of dust. Now this dust is Corian dust, solid surface dust. And so it's very fine and it clogs up filters. Okay, let me pause the video and let me clean this filter again, and we'll try it again with the Oneida Dust Deputy. I forgot, let's take a look inside the shop vac. That's how much dust is in there. So I don't think it's full. You'll probably put a little bit more in there, but not a whole lot. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Got a clean filter. Again, it's used, but it's clean. I blew it out. So let me put this back on. All right, so we got the shop vac, Dust Deputy. This is clean and empty. So we'll do the same thing. We'll suck up this 4 gallons of dust. See how this works out. Then we'll check the filter. check out this filter and see what it looks like. You guys ready? I don't know if you can see this, but this is amazing. It still has a little bit of the fine dust, but it's nothing like it's jam-packed before. Now, I didn't time how long it took to suck up that dust or anything, but the idea is to keep the shop vac working at maximum performance the entire time. So, take a look at it. This just comes off with the pressure. So that was about 4 gallons of dust, and it's fine, and it clogs up filters quite a bit. So that's that. So it looks like, to me, it works awesome. Before, we were connecting this to a V-grooving machine with Solid Surface, and you could run the shop vac for a little bit, but you're constantly changing it. So we got this thing hooked up, and it seems like it's been working pretty good. The vacuum and the suction out of the tool is a lot higher, and so it works a lot better. Anyway, so if you're considering getting this Oneida air system, and that thing's not very sturdy, stable. It's called the Dust Deputy. Anyway, so if you like it, check out their website. I'll put a link in the description. I don't get any affiliate money for it or anything. I was just trying it so I could help you guys out. So anyway, take care.